Hi everyone, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. This is my 14th art tutorial. Those who are new to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do watch all my previous videos, which is specially made for beginner artists. During Diwali preparation, an idea struck me for my next video theme, the light. Light contribute to the mood of a painting. Painted light can be soft and gentle or harsh and sharp. In a work of art, light blends with color, style and technique to create an overall effect. Colored lighting affects the paintings as a tinted filter. Bright, strong light creates sharp tonal contrast with brilliant highlights and dark shadows. Easy way of understanding the effect is painting a diya. Easy way of understanding the effect is painting a diya or a candle. So let's do a diya painting to understanding. Dogs are crazy. Easy way of understanding the effect is painting a diya or a candle. So let's do a diya painting to understand the concept clearly. It is a beginner tutorial I am doing with acrylics. For this painting, we may need a canvas, brushes, water, palette and a rag. I am using highly pigmented Liquitex acrylic colors here. If you want, you can use bottle colors also. I have taken some white, black, brown, red and yellow in the palette. We may need some blue also later. I am doing a rough sketch of diya with paint. If you want, you can do a proper sketching with pencil. After that, just apply a thin coat of background paint and gradually I am painting the tonal variations in the main object. Then add layers of paint till you reach your desired result. This technique of lighting in the painting is known as chiaroscuro. This doesn't only give the strong lighting effect but also bestows the paintings with three-dimensionality, making the painting look more deeper and more real. Over time, chiaroscuro became the common techniques also used in other visual disciplines such as photography, theaters, movies, and also in art installations. Words can't express how much it means your support and encouragement to me. Thank you all once again for your support. Wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance.